Yes, we always end up on our own because we are antisocial people. We don't like to talk to people. When I'm on my own, I talk to people. But she don't like to talk to people. You see how she not talking to anyone now? She is happy because she not talk to people. But soon we go on a coconut boat. Da. Das Vitanya.
Oh, he's so sleepy. You join myself and Jackie looking very tired. But here is the plan. Get off the night bus from Nha Trang. There's some pervert on my sleeper bus and she won't stop looking at my arm. See? Done. Copious amounts of coffee. Step 3, go to the hotel, check in, drop bag, don't get a room for another 7 hours. Step 4, smash that like button and subscribe. And step 5, getting custom suits. Jackie has already messaged Adong Silk. They've got back very quick and efficiently. The cost's going to be around $130, $140. It depends how fancy we get. And do whatever Jackie's got planned, because she also has a plan in her phone, which has got about 20 things on it for 2 days. So
we're going to get anywhere and everywhere all at once.
Huh? And this is everything?
Yeah, everything.
Yeah? Okay. I'm going to ask Jackie for her advice because I can't find anything I like, so I'll see if she suggests something else. I think that one, the lower one.
I think that one makes me look too pale, too washed out.
I need your help choosing a colour.
I'm on it.
Well, unless you can change my mind, I'm not getting one.
You're not?
I don't like any of the colours. There's been developments. I've misunderstood and there was a lot more fabric to choose from than I initially thought there was.
Shut. I can't concentrate when you're filming me.
It's fun though, you choose. Things are moving along. We've got
I think I'm going to go that
diagrams.
one. Go with that.
We just spent so much money on suits.
We really haven't, to be honest, when you really think about it.
Yeah, but I mean, James said his was $125.
Yeah, he's smaller than you.
He is smaller and his suit won't be as nice because we went to
You-
the posh one. Go to a Dong Silk. They'll do you right. Hopefully. We're going to find out tomorrow. You happy?
Yes.
I'm happy too. I'm deliriously tired. Let's go get some food and come back tomorrow. After a hard day buying suits, I like to relax at Chops Burgers and Grills and have myself a smashed patty sandwich for breakfast, complete with a nice ice-cold Americano, all for $105,000. Chops, the place to be.
I have pancakes.
There you go, do some wandering.
I think people gain a lot of knowledge from solo travel, and you really can't know yourself until you know the world.
What time? Now?
No.
Yeah, you want to do it now?
Yeah, let's do it now.
Let's do it. Okay.
300 each.
Coconut boat.
That was very easy. Don't drop anything.
I'm going to try and talk over the noise here. Try and block it out somehow. Probably can't hear me very well. But you'll join myself and Jackie looking more stylish than ever. After purchasing and custom tailoring our suits, going for a quick jaunt on a coconut boat, on a whim even, of a lovely salesman who's only charged us the grand sum of $300,000. I'm unsure if we've overpaid, quite possibly. But even then, it is only the equivalent to 10 British pounds for a 2-hour trip, a ride down the river, and a jaunt in a coconut boat. And it includes this rather fetching orange vest. Jackie looks incredibly pleased. Ah, yes. Currently, as well, to refer back to the plan, we are currently on step 4 or 5, doing whatever the hell Jackie wants. And I'm loving it. This reporter is having a wonderful time. Now, back to Jack.
There we know Coconut Man. Do you know the Coconut Man?
Oh, the coconut man?
The Coconut Man!
Yes, I know the coconut man.
The Coconut Man?
The coconut man who lives in Vietnam?
Yes, I know the coconut.
Yes, I know the coconut man who lives in here.
Jackie just asked if she think that it's real busy on the coconut boats when it's summertime. But I think we're just weird, and most people probably get a bus to a different place
Having a smoke as well.
for the coconut boat. I already had a smoke. Don't tell YouTube that though. But we're weird, and we somehow always end up on our own, which is kind of what we like. We enjoy each other's company. Jackie's making faces like she don't, but she does.
But change the accent. Different accent though, was grinding me a little bit.
Different accent. You
Yeah.
don't like that one?
I do, but only for a certain amount of time.
I think I will get away with the Russian. Yes, we always end up on our own because we are antisocial people. We don't like to talk to people. When I'm on my own, I talk to people. But she don't like to talk to people. You see how she's not talking to anyone now? She is happy because she not talk to people. But soon we go on a coconut boat. Da. Das Vidanya.
Okay, we are slowly working out what's happening with the coconut boat. It seems like we've picked up a coconut boat lady, and now we're giving her a tow back to the other guy down here, and then we're going to go on the boat. Oh, she's bloody sick, man. Well, this has turned into a very leisurely trip for myself. I'm being carted around by these two lovely ladies. Jackie's doing a champion job of helping.
She's doing a lot better job
She's
than I
doing,
am.
oh, Jackie's doing a grand job. She's got such upper body strength.
I really don't, if anyone knows me.
This is, it's lovely. Oh man, the fronds. Get fronded, girl. Oh, there's a little bird wiggling its bum.
Oh, yeah.
But we go, doing a wiggle. Myself and Jackie were looking at the boats and wondering how they're made. You can see the edge here is like bamboo with a bit of filling of some kind. You can see the bamboo there. And you can see here it's kind of like a big woven wicker basket, and then obviously filled in with something. I don't know what. It looks kind of like epoxy resin, but I would very much doubt that traditionally it's epoxy resin. It's probably something else. Perhaps mud. I don't know. Or some derivative of cow poop, because that's often a very useful building material in these kind of places.
I was about to say, when I got up this morning, I didn't think I'd be doing this, but I didn't actually get up this morning. I've
Yeah.
been up.
Just to reiterate, me and Jackie have been awake for 34 hours. And Jackie's doing a smashing job of steering this boat.
I know.
That's so cute. Aww, that's so sweet.
Wow.
Whoa, that's
amazing.
cool.
Yeah.
Yours looks good. It's like a little cricket.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah. Jackie has successfully paddled us away from the mangroves and back onto the main river towards
I don't know
our
how.
motorized vehicle back to shore. And Jack is still doing sweet call. He's got a very nice ring though. Okay, let's get in somehow. I got my ring. Oh man, this is going to be hard with my bad leg. Yeah. There we go. Oh, thanks. Woo. Come on. Did you have fun?
I was really, really good, and I didn't expect that I'd steer a coconut boat. She did a very good job, and I have no.
Was I a good passenger princess?
Yes.
You can see the nets just behind me here. We spoke to our initial driver and he explained that they are in fact fishing nets. I thought they were to protect something that was being farmed below, sort of protected from birds or that kind of thing. But you can see the poles there. They drop the net down, leave it under the water for a period of time until some fish have swam over it, and then whip it up and catch a bunch of fish. So that's an interesting way of fishing that I've definitely not seen before. So it's pretty cool to see when you're just going on a little coconut boat trip. Lovely. Well, that was lovely. Was that part of Was that part of step 4 on the plan?
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, let's get a Toto. Let's get a Toto bingsu. Jackie's paid for my coffee because I am still a passenger princess. And now it's time.
I've got a source of energy where I'm
Now
ready to go.
you are going to be shattered. Like 3 hours, you'll crash. She's told me the plan 6 times, but sorry, the plan. She's told me 6 times, but I keep forgetting. So we're going to go do. What are we going to do?
We're going to have a look around Old Town.
We're going to look around Old Town.
There's a building that I'd like to see there as well.
There's a building she wants to see.
There's a lantern shop. There's also
A shop made of lanterns.
not made of lanterns.
Oh, not made of lanterns. What's the point then?
And
There are lanterns all over. Just take
we
them.
might go to the beach.
Yes.
Then we'll
Go to the beach.
back to hotel.
Back to the hotel.
And then
Oh, yeah, stop there. We had a little nappy nap and now we go
why
out.
did you go to the basement?
Because there wasn't a ground floor, so I was like,
Number one.
We nearly got killed in the basement. Ah.
What are you trying to do?
Yes, we came back and we got very sleepy. And we went to sleep. I still look very sleepy. Jackie's a bit though.
I thought I
On
was
dates?
tired and then
Okay. Hoi An was lovely. Da Nang's incredible. We stopped at a place called Mad Platter. I've got a burger because I'm a child. And Jackie's got a lovely carbonara because she's half Italian.
and also a child.
And also a child, apparently. But we did have some seafood spring rolls. It's been lovely. So, I hope you enjoyed coming along with us. And see you in the next one, buddy. Bye. Consider subscribing to follow along next week. We will be exploring Hoi An Old Town and the gigantic Lady Buddha complex, as well as Hoi An's Lantern Festival, featuring this unfortunate guy losing his phone forever, and receiving our awesome 70s suits.